How to buy Amazon Prime membership. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you'd like to buy Amazon Prime membership, which is basically the whole Prime benefits and subscription in itself, all you have to do is, instead of opening my browser or my app, I'm going to go ahead and launch my Google Chrome browser. Once I open my browser, you want to simply go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Again, I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. If you're confused, I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Now, once you're here on this page, you want to make sure to log into your free Amazon account, because you can see I'm already logged in as well. Once you log into your free Amazon account, you have to get the subscription in that account. So just tap the Try Prime option here. After you do that, you'll be able to see the discounts, deals and offers and so on. But if you'd like to proceed with the payment methods, scroll down, you'll find the current available payment methods, and then you just want to make sure to tap the sign up now option. And as you tap the sign up now option, you'll have successfully bought your Amazon Prime membership. This way you can buy Amazon Prime membership. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.